Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz E550. This is my new project car. It needs a lot of repairs and I'm going to be fixing it and also upgrading it along the way. So please stay tuned by subscribing, and I'm going to have a playlist saved on this so you could check out all the videos, and here are some clips of it. It's in pretty great shape. It does need some work here and there. And if you guys want to follow my journey on this build on the E550, please subscribe. And I'm going to be having a lot more videos posted on this. So please like and share and leave any comments down below on what you would like to see on this car. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.